Hey, I'm Vince,
And Jiyoung.
and we are the creators of Fight Coach. And so essentially what Fight Coach is, it's a tool to give fighters statistics about how well they're doing. We realize, baseball pitchers, they have speed guns to measure how fast they're pitching. Quarterbacks, they have people counting their passing accuracy and yardage. But we noticed that there aren't that many commercially available tools to help fighters keep track of the two most important things about fighting, which is how much damage you're dishing out and how much you avoid, or how able you are to avoid getting hit. And so we set out as a part of 4760 to build a Fight Coach.
Okay, so show me the gloves here.
So this board, our custom board, is attached to the inner side of the glove. And there are four major components, which is Bluetooth, the MCU, and the accelerometer.
And did you build these little boards?
Yeah, so we picked the parts, we created the schematic, we ported the schematic and the data files to a layout software, PCB pads, and that gives you the layout. And that software also generates Gerber files, which you can send to a manufacturer, which solders and places the parts and populates the boards.
I see. And so now the gloves are talking back to the laptop, is that right? So the laptop is the receiver of the Bluetooth? Yeah. And so you have a user interface on the laptop. Tell me about the user interface.
Turn my computer. So we built the main user interface for Fight Coach on MATLAB. So MATLAB takes in the data from the sensors and plots it all out. So we're capable of doing a couple things. One, we have a defense mode, and that keeps track of how well the fighter is able to dodge simulated hits. We have another mode called damage mode, which gives the fighter an idea of how much damage he's dishing out over time.
Okay, so put on the gloves and show me damage mode here.
Gloves, you can see they're pretty small and they fit right underneath.
So they're pretty well protected underneath the...
So there's no real concern about whether or not it's going to get in the way of the fight. But also it's covered in epoxy, so you don't have to worry about humidity or sweat.
Or slobber or blood.
And they're rechargeable too, so you don't have to worry about batteries and buying them and ruining the environment,
Okay, I hear you.
So the way it works is that when you twist your left hand, it allows you to switch modes. So, stop drawing. Let's see. Let's do this real quick. So we just have to reconnect it because it kind of times out.
Okay, so it's doing a Bluetooth reconnect now?
Yeah.
How long does that take?
Well, because we were talking and it underwent a really unpredictable timeout, so probably a minute at least.
Really?
We didn't shut it off, basically. If the computer shuts off without you telling the device to shut off, Bluetooth behaves in pretty unpredictable ways, so you have to wait until that's resolved.
So is there going to be some visual indication on the modules?
Yeah.
Okay, so they blinked.
They blinked, that means that they are ready to pair.
Okay.
And now, so we're just going to initialize the program. It's going to bring up all of the metrics in the user interface. And then now we're going to try and pair them. Oh yeah, we have to quit MATLAB because it does that.